Cosider Canalisation, the company of great challenges. Presentation of the company. Cosider Canalisation is a public economic company, subsidiary of the Cosider Group and specialized in the construction of hydraulic pipelines, hydrocarbon pipelines and power lines for the hydrocarbon, energy and hydraulic sectors. Since its creation in 2004, the company has developed its know-how and has become a national leader capable of competing with international companies. Size of the company. With a registered capital of $30 million and a total workforce of more than 6,500 employees as of December 31, 2021, Cosider Canalisation has significant human and material resources to carry out its activities. The company is also present in several regions of the country. Activities. Cosider Canalisation operates in three main areas: hydrocarbon pipelines, hydraulic pipelines, and the transport of electrical energy. It carries out EPC projects of various diameters and large scale, as well as the construction of hydraulic installations for drinking and industrial water treatment. Human resources. The total workforce of Cosider Canalisation is divided into three professional categories: executives, masters, and executors. The company employs more than 1,500 executives, 1,600 master's degrees and 3,500 executors, for a total workforce of more than 6,500 employees. Material means. Cosider Canalisation has a fleet of more than 2,000 equipment units intended for earth moving, lifting, transport, welding and hydrostatic tests. The company is also equipped with double jointing stations and 2 complete automatic welding circuses. These material means allow Cosider Canalisation to carry out its activities in the best conditions. Certifications and partnerships. Cosider Canalisation skills are certified and monitored as part of its integrated management system, which has been crowned by certification to ISO 9001 v 2015 standards for quality, ISO 14001 v 2015 for the environment and ISO 5001 v 2018 for occupational health and safety. As a leader in the field of pipeline works, Cosider Canalisation is a member of the International Association of Pipeline Builders (IPLOCA). The company has also developed partnerships with local and foreign companies for the realization of major projects.